Hi, Troy with RV Pocket Tech. Today we're going to talk about the Coleman Mach single zone thermostat. And if you have one of these, you need to pay attention because we see it in Facebook groups so many times that somebody posts a picture of a thermostat. They have an issue with it. It doesn't work. They don't know how to find a replacement for it. They've taken it off the wall. They've flipped it over. They've looked at a part number. They've Googled it. They've searched it. They can't find it. They go to the Facebook group and they're asking for help. They get lots of different answers. Some of them are good, some of them are not so good. But I'm here to tell you today that it's a super simple, easy fix and replacement, and we're going to tell you all about it right now. Inside this thermostat, you will see I have a red wire, a yellow wire, a white wire, a gray wire, a green wire, and a blue wire. Those all have specific functions. They do the exact same thing on every single Coleman thermostat. This is my DC volts that comes in. This blue wire is my ground. My yellow wire is my compressor. My white wire is a furnace. My gray wire is a low fan. And my green wire is a high-speed fan. This particular thermostat here has been upgraded to this version of that manual thermostat. I can flip this over and I have those exact same wires. I have a red wire, a yellow wire, a white wire, a gray wire, a green wire, and a blue wire. Same wires that I had on this thermostat right here. I can swap this out. Same thing with this thermostat here. I can take and turn this over and I have these call outs. I don't have wires, but I have call outs. I have an R for red, B for blue, GL for gray, GH for green, Y for yellow, W for white, and they all have pinouts right over here. And this is a replacement for this. And if I were to flip this over, it has the exact same call outs right in here. Any Coleman single zone thermostat is replaceable with any other Coleman single zone thermostat. They're forwards compatible, backwards compatible. And hey, thanks for watching. We hope that you enjoyed it, hope that you got something from it. And if you'd like to learn more and get more insight, more tips, more tricks, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and follow us. We're here to help. Have a great day. Peace out.